Hi, Dr. Crump again from Crump Chiropractic Gibraltar. Just a brief video to explain about, this is called an orthotic. So you might have heard about orthotics that you wear in your shoes to give people's arches back to their feet. In a way, this is more important because this can be used to give you the curve back into your neck. So these are sort of very firm, stiff foam devices. They're specifically shaped, and you can see on there, to give you the curve back, and they're used in the lower neck. So when people have lost their curve, once their neck's free enough to accept it, they would do 2 minutes for a week, 3 minutes, slowly increasing to 10 minutes by having the roll in the lower neck, having the knees bent, and then just hanging the head over the roll to start to get the neck to actually curve back into its normal curve again. That can save your neck from going into advanced arthritis later in life. So we have these in our clinic, and we use them as part of the care. Thank you very much for watching the video.